Yo, what's poppin'? What's good, world? We back at it. You know what's going on. We here. What's today? Today, Thursday, June 11th. We on them. It's nice outside out here in Jersey. We on them. We on top of their head. But anyway, let's get to it. Let's get straight to the sauce, man. Your credit score could be 50 to 100 points higher right now, today, without paying off a single debt, without disputing anything, without opening a new account, just by fixing one number that most people completely ignore. It is called credit utilization, and it is silently destroying scores every single day. Let me show you exactly what it is and how to fix it right now. Credit utilization is simply how much of your available credit you're using at any given time. Here is the simple math. If you have a credit card with a $1,000 limit and you have a $600 balance on it, your utilization on that credit card is 60%. If that is your only card, your overall utilization is 60%. That single number makes up 30% of your credit score. For real. Think about that. Nearly 1/3 of your credit score is determined by how much credit you're using, your credit limit. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's just crazy. Not whether you pay on time, not how long you had the account, just how much you're using it right now, which means it could change fast. Excuse me. I'm just over here smoking my little joint. My apologies. Word up. But anyway, here's something that drives me crazy, though. Word is born. That be blowing my mind. Everywhere you look, people say stay below 30% utilization. Financial advisors say it, credit repair blogs say it, even some banks say it. Even while staying below 30% is better than being above it, it is nowhere near optimal. Here is the truth. The people with 750 plus credit scores are not sitting at 29% utilization, feeling good about themselves. They sitting at like 1 to 9%, single digits, and I can prove it to you. Word up, for real. I have personally seen people go from a 680 to a 740 credit score just by dropping their utilization from 28% down to 7%. Same accounts, same payment history, same everything. Just one number change, 60-point jump. The 30% rule is the bare minimum. Our goal is single digits. Here is something that catches people off guard every single time. Your overall utilization matters, but so does each individual card's utilization. A lot of people spread their spending across multiple cards, thinking that it keeps everything low. But if one card is maxed out, even if your overall utilization looks okay, that single card maxed out is still hurting your score. Every card needs to be below 10%, not just your overall number. Every single card. So if you have 3 cards and 2 of them at 5%, but one is at 80%, that 80% card is doing real damage. Pay attention to each card individually, not just your total. All right, here's where it gets real interesting, though. Like, when we start getting into the sauce, like, most people think as long as they pay their bill on time, their utilization looks good. That's not how it works. It actually works by, like, your credit company. So your credit card company reports your balance to the credit bureaus once a month. And then they report whatever balance is shown on your statement date, not on your payment due date, your statement date. So if your statement closes on the 15th with the $800 balance, that $800 gets reported. Even if you pay it full on the 20th, the bureaus already saw the $800. You feel what I'm saying? So here's the fix. You got to pay your balance down before your statement closing date, not after, but before. That way when your statement closes, it shows a low balance. A low balance gets reported. Your utilization looks great and your score reflects it within 30 days. If your utilization is high right now, here are the fastest ways to bring it down. Option 1, you can pay down your balances. And I know that is obvious, but even partial payments help. Getting from 70 to 40% is still a significant score improvement. Option 2, ask for a credit limit increase. Call your credit card company and request a higher limit. If they approve your your utilization drops immediately without paying a single dollar. So that's just sauce right there. It's just a little game. So if you had an $800 on a $1,000 card, now you have $800 on a $2,000 card. Utilization dropped from 80 to 40%. Same balance, better ratio. You know what I'm saying? Option 3, Spread your balances across multiple cards if you have them. Instead of $800 on one card, put $400 on two cards. Better distribution, lower individual utilization. Option 4, pay twice a month. Make a payment mid-cycle and another before your statement closes. Keep your reported balance consistently low all month long. Yo, that 2 payments a month, game right there. Sauce. Word is born. That's sauce. Credit utilization is one of the most powerful and most misunderstood parts of your credit score. And now you know exactly how to use it to your advantage. Single digit utilization. Pay before your statement closes. Watch each card individually. Request limit increases strategically. Do these things and your score will move. your score will move like ASAP. Like I'm telling you, you're gonna be like, oh my God, I promise you. If you want our team to personally help you optimize your credit and build the fastest path to an to an 800 score, y'all could tap in with me, man. Yo, comment on this post, do whatever. I'm gonna get y'all right. I'm gonna get y'all busy, man. I love helping the people. I'm all for us. I'm telling you, I'm all for us. People know me. I get busy. I come from the slums. I got to it. And I'm helping people do it. I got results. Y'all come get with me, man. I'm telling you, like, it works. It works. I'm going to give y'all the blueprint. I'm going to give y'all the sauce, man. Subscribe to the Credit Blueprint. New video every single week. Share this with someone whose score is stuck right now. And I will see you in the next one. I appreciate y'all. For real, for real. I thank you. Let's get to it. You know the vibes. Have a good day. Let's make it happen. Let's get to it. Like that joint if y'all got one. Let's do it, y'all. Shoot the vibes.